Munini wa President Profesa Kithure Kindiki niwaendeeya kulumiliilya Kwisila viti wa President William Ruto Ukwati wa nthi nimuseo na Maumu maingi ala maneekumbilite mwiana wa nthi Ukwati sektani kivathukanyo nimathelu kuisyaaniwa na undu mailye myaka mivitu. Kindiki niwaweta kana mwenenthi niwiwite uvuukyo uno niwiyone mathoa ma syindu ta ya leu na mauta nimathelu na Silikali nikuendeeya kuikithia nimatheeyavyo. Benjamin Mwaka niwatumbanisia ilivoti kwa uliku.
Kindiki niwaendeeya kulumiliilya maundu oyu ni mololo va Kenya na kana ukwati wa nthi nimuseo na undu maundu mailye oyu ni maelu muno kuisyaaniwa na myaka mivitu. Kwanana na Kindiki ni kanene nthini nguzi kana mathoa ma syindu sya vata misini ta maleu ni mathelu ona mauta ni mathelu vei.
I am pleased to report that the worst is behind us. 2 years down the line, by the grace of God and the hard work of this administration under the stewardship of President William Ruto, the macroeconomic situation has been brought into stability.
Nolumiliilya kwaila kwa ukwati nongina kuiwike muvukoni wa mwenenthi ula wa ukwati munini na kini cho kivalua kila Silikali ikuthukuma kwa kithito kwianisya nthini wa myaka 3 yukite.
Today, the prices of fuel have been stable and decreasing every month. Today, the prices of essential commodities, foodstuffs, are reducing, especially maize flour and other staple foods. What remains in the months and days ahead is to strengthen the microeconomic situation in our country, to provide more jobs to our people and enhance incomes at household level. And that is the work that lies ahead of us in the next 3 years.
Inene achathini cha Jamhuri Trade Fair kukonya mwiana ivalua vamusi na nthi syanza munini wa President nolumiliilya Silikali ina kielo kitathingithika kuseuvya myana mauya kwa mwika vamusi ivalua sya mitandao ni vumwe na mauya nthi syanza.
This is the most consequential program that the government can do to its people.
Kwa ngaliko yake muvia wa uthukumi wiweta wiilelya kithito cha kumanthia mwika ivalua nthi syanza pala kwi umuthi wa kusia maana ma enenthi maikwata lingile kuthi ivaluani sya kiuvundi kuya nthi ya Qatar.
I'm very happy that now we have started the move. We have visas, we have passports ready, we have air tickets.
Kenyans are very good workers, they are hardworking, law-abiding, well-skilled. They will serve your country well. They will stay well. They will abide by the laws of your country.
Vilingo wa mauvu kumava musini wa ilovi. Nitawa Benjamin Mwaka.